Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread halwa without milk easy method. Tear bread into small pieces, heat ghee, and roast bread until golden and lightly crisp. Add simple syrup made from water and sugar, then simmer until the mixture thickens. Stir in crushed cardamom and chopped nuts for aroma and crunch, adjust sweetness to taste, and serve warm for a comforting, dairy-free dessert. In this video, I will show how to make bread halwa without milk easy method. Gather bread, ghee, sugar, water, cardamom, and optional nuts before starting to streamline the process. Prepare simple syrup separately to control sweetness and avoid grainy texture. Keep a spatula and medium pan nearby for constant stirring. Having ingredients prepped ensures smooth cooking and a homogeneous halwa with balanced flavor and silky mouthfeel. In this video, I will show how to make bread halwa without milk easy method. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum that offers voice control and smart mapping to keep floors tidy while you cook. It's perfect for crumbs after slicing bread or dropping nuts, and it even sounds like a helpful kitchen assistant. If you're finding this useful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make bread halwa without milk easy method. Heat ghee on medium, add bread pieces, and roast evenly for 5 to 8 minutes until fragrant. Slowly pour hot sugar syrup while stirring constantly to coat bread and prevent clumping. Simmer until the mix pulls away from the pan and oil surfaces, then fold in roasted nuts and cardamom, turning off heat and resting briefly before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.